Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim or cut your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are and we have our clip right here. So to cut a clip, it's very simple. You press your C on your keyboard, C, and it would be this razor tool, which is right here at the left side if you don't want to press C. And then from here, you can just select any parts of the video wherein you want to cut. So let's say you want to cut right here, or maybe also this one right here, and as you can see, it's already cut just like that. And then after that, you can remove by selecting the clip by pressing V or selecting this button right here, and you can press on backspace and it will be deleted just like that. Or you could also do this right here. You can also do it like this one if you want to. Then you can also press down your control key, and while you move it like this, as you can see, it immediately fills the gap. If you'd like that can save you a lot of time. And just like this one, let's do it again, this one. As you can see, it's like that. It's now transferred right here. So what it does, it actually it's like a magnet that once you cut, it would automatically reattach to the clip right there so that there will be no gaps. And yeah, you can either use the razor tool or you could just manually do this. So let's just bring this back. Or you could just manually do this just like this one until you get the cut that you want, or maybe just like that. And yeah, that is basically how you can trim or cut your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.